Hey guys. Happy 4th of July. Fireworks will be starting soon. I'm at Fort Campbell Boulevard, waiting for the fireworks. It is Redford with the family, but it's very hard to see because I don't have flash. And people are staring at me. Look away, mother! I am your host, Redford. Just look at the fair. Why are you headbutting me, child? You're like headbutting my foot.
Hey, totally was. Like there's something on my hand.
The fireworks will be over there. What? I'm not recording people. I'm recording you, even though you're very dark on the screen. I can barely see you and Hunter, even though the camera is facing you, Ben, and Hunter. Hunter is my brother. My mother is my mother. And Ben's my stepdad.
We're in the grass.
Hey! William, come here.
Come here, son. Come back over here.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle.
Back over here. That's my good boy. That's my good boy.
There's the Ferris wheel that we are watching.
We're getting sleepy.
With, one of those things that goes up and then it goes down slowly. And then that blue thing over there. Small blue thing. Not moving. There's also another one that's shorter. Doing a fire! Can you not sit on my foot, child? And that moving thing is... Wait, what is that guitar thing? I don't know either. Okay. Yeah, they should be starting soon. Hold on, what time is it? 9:02, so it's 9:02, so they can start any second now. We shall be waiting. Happy 4th of July.
Careful.
Hold on. What are the other... I hear... there's a lightning bug that scared me. It was like over top of me and started lighting up. I hear other fireworks. I want to watch them. Hi, Mom. Baby. My leg has got removed from the armrest. We're just waiting. First ever fireworks. Hi, baby. Hi, cuteness. You won't show up though on the camera. Because for some reason the brightness won't go up any further. And plus it's kind of too dark. Yeah, but I can still see perfectly and the camera can't.
Exactly.
Also, this is a very old tablet. I've had this for like 6 years? 7? No, not 7, or 5 or 6. You did not need to know that. Here we go. Right over there. Right over there is where the band is playing. I don't know what. That is the fair. Fort Campbell Water Tower. It is 9:05 p.m. I'll be. Leave down in the comments what kind of fair you like most. My favorite is probably either the Scorpion or roller coasters. If you don't know what the Scorpion is, it's that orange thing next to the Ring of Fire. In between the only thing that is white glaring at the screen. Okay, well, it's back down. Hold on.